Welcome to this new video where I'm going to teach you how to play By Your Side by Calvin Harris. This riff you're going to learn is very easy to play because you only have to use one finger of the fret hand. And that's your index finger. Put your index finger on the first fret of the B string. And after you have to play an open B string. And the open B string you have to play for 4 times. So 1, open, 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 open. And then you have to play the first fret for 3 times again. So you get 1, open, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, open, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, open, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, open, 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 1, 1, 1. If you can play this riff right now, we're going to make it a little bit harder. Now we're not going to pick only one note, but we're going to pick 2 notes. So we're going to use the G string. The only thing you have to do is to pick the open G string with the riff you already know. So and that's the whole riff. I hope this guitar tutorial helped you, and don't forget to check out my other guitar tutorials.